Okay, so picture this. It's game day Sunday. My husband is in his fantasy football championship. For the fourth year in a row, he's won 3 times. The pressure in our living room is real. Every year, I make him special wings for luck. They're good, a solid 8 out of 10. But this year, I wanted to level them up. So I did a little mashup. I took the crazy good buttery hot sauce vibe from Hot Ones and mixed it with Gordon Ramsay's genius trick for getting wings super crispy without a deep fryer. The result? These Gordon Ramsay's Hot Ones inspired wings. They're my new secret weapon. Let me show you how they come together. It's easier than you think. First up, the crispy foundation. The key to amazing wings is to start dry. Really pat your chicken wings down with a paper towel. Then, into a big bowl for their flavor coat. A tablespoon each of garlic powder and smoked paprika, plus a good teaspoon of kosher salt. Give them a nice toss. Already smells like game day. Here's the Gordon Ramsay move, the 2-step cook. We're starting these on the stove. A large, oven-safe skillet goes over medium-high heat with a little oil. Once it's hot, in go the wings. And here's where the magic starts. Add a few pats of cold butter right into the pan with them. That butter is going to make everything taste rich and help get the skin gorgeous and golden. Let them sizzle without moving for a few minutes to get a great sear, then flip them. A crack of black pepper, and once the edges look crispy and the butter is all foamy, we move to the oven. Just slide the whole pan into your preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit oven. They'll bake for about 15 minutes, getting cooked through perfectly and even crispier. Hands off time. Now, for the Hot Ones inspired twist, the glaze. This is the fun part. Pull your beautiful, crispy wings out of the oven and put them in a clean bowl. Spoon over some of that incredible, buttery sauce from the pan. Now, the heat. Add several good splashes of your favorite hot sauce. This is where you choose your own adventure. And because it makes everything better, one more little pat of butter. Now toss it all together. The warmth melts the butter and hot sauce into the most incredible, shiny, finger-licking glaze. And that's it! You've got these incredible wings that are super crispy from the pan to oven method and coated in that sticky, spicy, buttery glaze that's just so addictive. They're a total crowd pleaser, whether you're cheering for a fantasy team, a real team, or just a really good snack. These wings are a winning recipe. Give them a try and let me know how they turn out. And from our game day to yours, enjoy every bite.